Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to reset your iPhone 11 Pro Max. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue hold the lock button. Hold the lock button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see it, you can then let go. Honestly, I could realistically make this video probably like 20 seconds for you guys. Just cut out all this stuff, but I'm not going to. It's only a minute long anyways, but there you guys go. You can let go now. Make sure you guys also subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and also drop a like, man. We got a goal of hitting 100,000 subscribers, so let's make it. And there you guys go. Your phone has been resetted.